Hey makers, this is Yana with Mockys, and today we're going to talk about how to come up with design elements for a specific theme. So here we are. Today we're going to look up current popular Disney film Encanto. And we're going to look for a movie poster. And let's click on images. And since we know it's a Disney film, let's click something that's directly from them. So this is the main movie poster. As you can see, it's very vibrant and you have a lot of characters in here. You can tell that this movie is about lots of different characters and they're all on the movie poster. But if you haven't seen, I know I've seen this movie, but if you haven't seen the movie poster, what you can tell is the girl in the middle is most likely very important character in this film. So let's look at what can we take away from this poster if you haven't seen a movie. We can do a theme on a specific character. For example, this girl in the middle, she's wearing this skirt with lots of patterns, different florals in colors. You can grab the colors. Or if you know which character you're doing this for, or if you don't know a specific character from a movie, you can ask your client and see what they recommend and what they want to do. This girl in the violet, she has her own kind of poster, or you can do a search if you know the character's name and see if more posters come up. And the design right here is very floral, very vibrant with violets and different variations of purples. So that could be then an overall theme. As you can see, the setting right here is very tropical. You see greens, you see different tropical trees like the palm trees, and also you can do animal theme. You can see right here we have lots of animals. We have a boy holding a bird. We have a donkey if you want to go that route. There's a lot of ways you can incorporate animals or to do an animal version of this movie. It's also, you can see this house in the background. Looks like it's the setting, or it's important because they included it in the movie poster. So you can see if there's anything you can search and you can see it up close. I can see right here there's a house that is up close. So let me see, let's click on it. That could be something that you can take away from. Looks like a lot of these characters are living in this house, so that could be a focal point of your cake topper too. There are actually different variations and different ideas you can grab from a movie poster, even if you haven't seen the movie itself, or you have no idea about the theme or the latest and the greatest that the kids are into, or something that they watch, without actually taking the pictures that are considered copyright because they're not created by you. So you can just use ideas such as, florals, use butterflies, use animals and colors, and to get the same feeling, same idea of the design that you want to convey. And that's how you choose elements for your different cake toppers. Now, if you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and I'll create more tutorials like this one. Thank you. I'll talk to you soon. Take care.